So there is our mass airflow sensor that we're going to be removing to clean. It's pretty easy to remove actually. There's this connector right here, and there's two Phillips head screws right there. So first we got to take that clip off. So I found that while you press this tab down, just use a screwdriver. Let's see. Press the tab down, use a screwdriver to kind of wedge it out. A lot easier than pulling it out with just your hands. Okay, that's that. And then just the two screws. Don't drop them. They are pretty small. Alright, now it just lifts right up. Okay, there you go. So, this piece of wire, it's hard to tell that it's wire because it's all black, is dirty. Look at this side here. You see how that's more shiny? Hopefully you can tell from the video. But yeah, it's definitely cleaner than the other side. This is probably the problem side then, I assume. So that's the one. We're gonna clean the whole thing, this whole thing basically, but that's the area we need to concentrate on. Okay? Okay, so now we have our mass airflow sensor cleaner and our dirty mass airflow sensor here. I'm gonna clean it. Just trying to be thorough here. I'm just gonna spray in here too. I don't think there's really anything there, but might as well keep it clean too, right? Trying to get every little spot. Okay. I'll leave it like that for now. It's already looking a lot cleaner. So now I'm just gonna let it dry. So now here's the mass airflow sensor after I cleaned it. Probably hard to tell, but if you look at this, the wire, it's nice and shiny and clean now. Before one side was all black. Now you can actually see the bare metal. Hard to tell on the camera, but believe me, it's a lot cleaner now. Okay, now that we have a clean mass airflow sensor, we're going to put it back in and we'll be done. Nothing really to it, just put it back, lining the screws.
And it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God knows that I'm one.
Snap the connector back on, and we're done.